It is April the 18th, 2019, and I am here for my first weather video of the 2019 weather season. Alright, as you saw in the picture, the radar looks conducive enough to attempt to make my first weather video of 2019 as we push into the very early spring into the summer. Into hurricane season here on Dauphin Island, Alabama. Again, if you're new to my weather videos, in that direction is my east, which is Gulf Shores, and as the crow flies even farther, Pensacola, and on down the Florida Panhandle. That is my north in front of me where the flag is flying. To my due north is Mobile, and to my due west would be Mississippi, and so forth. The storm that I'm going to watch and see if it will enable me to make a nice weather video is coming from my west, and I expect on movement it to be here maybe within an hour or an hour and a half. So if you see this video, it was a good one. This storm is moving rapidly from west to east, so this should be on top of us shortly. This should be a good one. Watch it to the end. I promise it's a good one. So if you saw that last picture, or last Doppler radar picture, this has the potential of being a really energetic storm. So I have gone out to the front of my house, and that is my west, the Mississippi area. The skies are darkening. I'm going to pan up. You can see those low, thick, gray clouds really starting to move in. This could be an interesting storm. And again, I'll kind of pan back out to my east. And you can see everything out on the water is kind of smooth, crystal clear. But this is my first weather video of 2019. And it's exciting. So we'll see if this April storm brings us some fun. I think there'll be a lot of lightning. I think there'll be some rumbles of thunder. I think there'll be some heavy rain. So I think this should be a good storm. So let's see what happens. So the wind has picked up and the rain has begun to fall. It is approaching dark here in Dauphin Island, Alabama. So I wanted to get one last picture. I think the lightning and thunder and heavy wind may move in just after dark. So last picture before I think this storm gets really intense. Again, that's my east, Baldwin County, Alabama, Pensacola, Gulf Shores. So let's see what happens with this one. It is moving in from my west again. Hate to be redundant, but that is my west. And we're going to look up and look at these clouds. Even the birds are like, man, it's going to get a little wicked here soon. It's going to get a little wicked here soon. Let me go ahead and head into those trees. Yeah. Birds flying. We're going to get weather, baby. Let's go. It is just about 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. And if you have been following the Doppler radar pictures, if you look in the bottom right-hand corner, you can see that I started filming this at around 5:30 Central Standard Time. The squall line, that is the yellow and red on the radar, the more intense storms were in the Biloxi, Mississippi area to my west at around 5:30. And if you look at the last radar picture, if you didn't just glance at that, again, I'm where the blue dot on those pictures is located, you can see that the squall line is currently knocking on our door here in Dauphin Island, Alabama. So I'm going to stop it right here, and the next time I go live on camera, it should be booming. Let's see what happens. Big shout out, by the way, to Steve Clevenger in Iowa, who keeps up with all of my weather videos. Big shout out to Nathaniel Knights, aka Google, who always enjoys the weather videos as well. So anyway, let's see what happens. Again, my east in the distance, that is Gulf Shores across the Mobile Bay. I will do a quick pan south over those trees in the distance. Not far, maybe a mile, if that, is the Gulf of Mexico. So I'll pan back to my west, and again back to my north. You can see the winds right now based upon that flag are coming out of the southeast. I do think that will shift out of the south and come out of our southwest before this evening finishes. That's my trusty weather tree to gauge wind. You can see it is starting to pick up. And again, that is my west, the Mississippi area, and you can see how dark the clouds have become and how ominous that they look. So let's see what happens with this one. I'm excited. First weather video of 2019. Let's go. Let's go. Really excited about this one. Come on. Yes. Come on, weather. So the wind has really started to pick up. I just missed my first two really strong lightning strikes that were just off to my west, and the thunder snapped in, and I missed the rumbles of thunder and the lightning, but it's definitely picking up from my west to east. I'm going to pan up in altitude. Really nice view, and the lightning snapped just beyond that flag, which was to my north, and not by very much. I mean, it was just to my north, and it just snap, and then thunder just went boom. It was a really incredible lightning strike, and there was two of them, 1, 2, and then just the thunder hit, and I missed it. So I'll try to put a few clips here and there, because I think this is going to be a really good storm. So this storm, as of right now, is just off to my west. So here on Dauphin Island, just off to my west, would literally be Mississippi, Alabama. I'm going to try to zoom in on some of these really low, very dark, gray, ominous clouds and see if you can follow me in terms of how fast that these clouds are moving. They are moving quickly, they are low, and they're thick. And again, it's really dark. It's approaching about 7:20 or 19:20 Central Standard Time. So this storm is moving rapidly, and I just got a severe thunderstorm warning on my phone just now. This is where it's going to pick up, everyone. This is where it's going to pick up. I will get my lightning shot. I feel it. There's the thunder in the distance. I hear it. It's coming. I really hope this weather video isn't a letdown. And again, I don't have a magic wand. I can't anticipate every storm bringing me some brunt right here. But I really get excited when that happens. And I think this has the possibility or the potential to give me the ability to film it. So again, I'm going to pan up to the clouds. Look at that. Oh! Listen for the thunder. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thunder. It's not close yet. There will be thunder. There you go. It's here. Sometimes I get so excited about these potential storms, and obviously, as always, I like to say that we hope that no one ever loses any property or gets hurt or goes without power even. But, oh, weather is amazing. And I think we're going to get a good storm. You can start to hear the thunder just rumbling ever so much closer. Look at those clouds. Oh. The birds are still making noise. The birds are still chirping. Look at those clouds. The good stuff's coming. I feel it. Stay positive. Let's see what happens. So I'm panning back off to my west. Again, that's the Mississippi area. But look at those big, dark, gray, low-hanging clouds. Oh, the bird just gave us a flyby. You can hear the thunder just rumbling. And you can see that front squall line just approaching directly overhead. Here we go. Here we go. Talk to me, Mother Nature. Talk to me. Here we go. It's my trusty tree. Don't doubt my tree. You can hear the intensity of the rain. The rain intensity has picked up tremendously. Look at these clouds over me that are just coming in. This is incredible. Oh, look at the squall over here to my left. This again, that's my north, just off to my northeast. Look at these clouds rolling in. Oh my gosh, let's go. Look at them. So currently I'm trying to cook dinner for my 5 kids right now and cover the storm at the same time. So I hope my food isn't burning in there, but I think it's all right. Look at that. Oh. Tremendous. Tremendous weather. That's off to my southeast. That would be, if I could just go in that direction for a long ways, what would come up would be like the Tampa side of Florida. Like way in the distance. Just off in that direction again would be Fort Gaines, Fort Morgan in that direction, which are both forts that are here in the northern Gulf area here in Alabama. Look at the clouds. So I really hope this ends up being a good video. I'm going to put it out either way. I'm about 2.5 hours in now at this point, and it really has all the makings of some really fun video. So I hope I get some energy out of this storm. Clouds are still rolling in. I still haven't seen those bursts of lightning except 2 earlier, maybe about 30 minutes ago when this storm was still a little ways off. But I can feel the energy in the air. It's good energy. You can hear that thunder. You can hear it. It's all around me. It's just not right on top of me. But that's why I do this, to get that one video. Oh! It's a really good flash. Not right on top of me, but a really good flash. There should be some thunder here soon. Should be even closer now. Come on. There you go. There you go. So this storm is moving from west to east, but it's actually kind of panning in from the southwest. So again, I'm facing to my north or to my northeast, and you can kind of see the clouds are kind of scooting not due north but kind of up from the south to the northeast. So it's a matter of time, but I feel really good about what this storm's going to bring. I really do. All right, so it's approaching 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'm about 2 hours into filming this storm. The radar shows that this storm is all around me. There has been a couple of really good lightning strikes all around me, and I just have not been able to get one on video, and I'm really going to try to get this done. Don't shoot me if I don't get this one on video, but the last two that just had, oh, there you go. They were just, oh, there you go. Walked in for a second, hit pause, checking on dinner, and I mean, I heard snap, snap, came out, oh. So again, I'm looking to my south here. Oh, there you go. Looking to my south, and the south is where it's really heating up right now. So due south, oh, that's the Gulf of Mexico that way. So the squalls are pushing in from offshore at this point. There we go. So the goal is to really get some good lightning, some good thunder right here, point blank range. Again, don't do this at home. I really enjoy doing this, but stay in from the lightning, stay in from the weather. Look at those clouds moving in above me. I hope you just saw that. I don't know how my camera does in this type of environment, dark, but not much light at all. It's actually, oh, it's actually quite dark. I'm on my back porch. I'm up about 16 feet off the ground. I'll pan down. Good storm. I can't wait for hurricane season this year. Again, we don't want anybody hurt. No loss of property, no property damage, no one without power even. I've said that. Oh, I've even said that before. But weather is just absolutely fantastic. It's one of the things I live for. Love tennis, love weather, love people. Oh. So to my south is the hot spot right now. Oh, that was the shot. I don't know if that was captured or not, but my camera was just dead on. A really nice lightning strike at around 3 minutes and 28 seconds. 3:28. 3:28. I'll have to go back and see if I got that on camera and watch that myself. That was incredible. 3:20. Oh! That was a great lightning strike. That could have been my lightning strike shot ever. I'll have to check that out at 3:28. At least on this clip. Oh! Incredible! That was incredible! What? Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh! I didn't see the strike there, so that one was just beyond the distance or the viewable range, the thickness of the clouds. But there was some power behind that flash. It wasn't as close as the other two strikes, but it was nice. Oh, another nice flash. No strike though. You can see it. I don't know if it's me or my camera, but you can see the haze, the thick gray that's just off of my distance there. Really nasty looking cloud in a good way. Oh! What? That was like a side streaker. Yeah. That's the hot spot right now. That is the hot spot. Whoa! Now it's flashing off to my east. Oh, the rain just all of a sudden ripped. Oh, look at the tree. Look at the tree. Whoa! The squall is here. The squall has come. Oh! Fireworks show! No doubt. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Come on! Give me some more where that came from. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that cloud top right there. Glad I'm not flying through that in an airplane. Oh! I just had a dangerous lightning warning pop up on my phone. Oh! I'm glad I took the... Oh! I'm glad I took the time out to film this storm. I'm really glad I took the time out to film this storm. Not a lot of precipitation, not a lot of rainfall, but really good wind, really good lightning, some nice temperature change from, you know, about a 78-degree day today to a really, to a really brisk and cool evening. Absolutely incredible. Seems like now I've got more lightning strikes off to my east than I did. Oh! Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. What more could you ask for? Oh! Oh man, besides family and positive energy, what's better than love and weather? Wow. Look at the cloud. Oh, oh, I hope you just saw that. Oh, man. What? I've got to see this video. I have a feeling it might be dicey camera, though. I've got like a wicked old cell phone. It's got like cracks in the screen, but I just use it because I know how to use it. And I don't want to go through the ups and downs or the trials and tribulations of getting a new phone and camera. So I'm just trying to make do with this guy, but I like this guy. Look at that cloud rolling in. Oh! Oh, man. Look at that. And I just had, oh my gosh, that was the one. And I just missed it off the left side of my camera lens. Incredible. Come on, give me another one there. Deweys, come on, give me another one. Oh, oh, oh. Trusty tree, trusty tree, trusty flags, trusty tree. Oh, if I could get one more lightning strike like that, I promise I would end this video now and let everyone go to bed. But I feel like I'm getting that one major strike. Oh! I'm gonna get it. I feel it. It's like a drum roll. It's like the grand finale. It's coming. There's been some pretty good strikes, though, already, right? I mean, if you watch this far in the video, you're either one of two things. You're either a devout weather follower, or you're like going to sleep and you want to hear a thunderstorm and me ramble. But that's okay. We're going to get that lightning strike. Ooh! Oh, now I'm getting pelted by rain in the face all of a sudden. All right, I'm gonna wait about another minute and 30 seconds, and I gotta check on. Oh! I really hope these strikes aren't coming across as just glitches in the screen, because there's some really good lightning strikes out here right now. So everyone, this has been a really good storm. The squall line looks to be on my Doppler radar, right on top of us and just passing us over. Surely there was some heavy downpours in certain pockets. Surely there was some better lightning caught on film than what I potentially caught on film here. But this is just a teaser. If we have any good storms throughout the rest of this year, 2019, weather, I know if you look at some of my weather videos, we have covered snow here. We have covered multiple hurricanes, multiple tropical storms, multiple thunderstorms, and this is the first storm of the 2019 season. There you go. There will be more. I know this is an El Nino year, so I think that the tropical weather count in terms of named storms may be on the low side, but we will track them. We will be ready for them right here. As always, everyone have a pleasant evening. Again, this was just a run-of-the-mill thunderstorm moving from the west to the east, or kind of coming in from the south-southwest to the north-northeast. And I wanted to get this one on film, get some lightning strikes, get some wind, get some rain. It's picking up again, but I think this is going to be the gist of it. So have a great evening. Have a great evening. Have a great night. Back inside for me to serve dinner up to the 5 kids. Big shout out to AKA Google Nathaniel Knights, I think in Trinidad and Tobago. Big shout out to Steve Clevenger in Iowa. Big shout out to all the weather video followers. And I just had a icon come up that said now a heavy precipitation warning here in my area. But I think this is going to be the gist of the storm. And again, I aim for the big ones and the strong ones, but sometimes we don't always get them to come right over my house. But I'm here. Ooh! I'm here, and again, have a great evening. Stay positive. Hey, if you watch weather videos and you have an inkling to play the game of tennis, check out our tennis videos as well. But in the meantime, take care. Signing out, and I will be definitely keeping my eyes on the weather, and I look forward to doing a lot more weather videos this year. All right, take care, everyone. See you later. And in the meantime, here from Dauphin Island, Alabama, we'll see you next time. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, weather. Let's go. And we'll wind this down with just another few seconds of film. Have a wonderful evening, everyone. Take care, and we'll see you next time. So I had to come back out for an encore. It is still snapping lightning. I mean, I started to edit the video, and the lightning just kept snap, snap. beautiful night. Sometimes weather just leaves me speechless. It's like I just want to watch it and watch it. If you're a weather enthusiast like myself, you'll understand. But I can just watch the weather non-stop. Imagine what the weather's like on Venus. Oh. Or like Jupiter underneath that big red storm. Ooh. I mean, in the whole universe, I wonder what the worst weather is. And I wonder if there's a way you can film that. Unless it was like a black hole. Alright guys, signing out. I'll be here all night and I'll never eat. And my kids will be like, hey, I'm hungry. Anyway, we'll see you next time. I'm out for sure. Encore performance. Hopefully it was alright. But again, much better weather videos to come. This was my first of the year. Take care and peace out. You can even hear the frogs croaking in the background. Gotta love the frogs. One of my favorite animals one of my favorite animals is a frog. Lizards and frogs, good guys. Dolphins too.